Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, Grace and Riley. And well, the other one doesn't really like videos, so it's not always like I'm always the one who's recording. But welcome back. If you're new, make sure to subscribe, please. If you're not new, like the video, leave me a comment, and thank you for joining me today as I do random stuff in the house. I almost forgot. My daughter makes a lot of mess. Look at this oily stuff on the table. We got ourselves a CCTV camera that connects to your phone. You get to see live. Um, I've, I was setting it up. I'm halfway there. I need someone to come and install something up there because I can't put it in here. It uses power, so yeah. I really want this thing out. Like I want it out, but my hubby won't let me because my daughter keeps jumping and she loves it. So yeah, as you can see, I was working on this and I'm not done because there's somewhere there I have to fix. And down there, my daughter's been like, she's been stubborn. I'm just gonna put it in here. Yeah, I put my baby's shoes here because like she's not started wearing them. My baby is sleeping right now. Wait, I'm watching Magi Mwende right there. So this is the foundation. So my daughter is sleeping and I have time to clean right now. If I don't clean and she wakes up, I am not in a good place. So right now I'm going to clean and try and finish up. I don't know how do you collect this thing, because it does not look. Oh wow, now it will work. It doesn't like stay in place like that when I want to do like a TikTok thing. For some reason now it's staying, but it wasn't before. Anyways, I'm cleaning out my daughter's mess. All the toys, I put them in like a Nigeria bag until I find like a place where I can put all that stuff like and organize it well. But for now I'm putting it in a large Nigeria bag. Yeah, everything is a mess. Look at this. I have to move the toys. She has a lot of toys. Like I feel like I don't know. She has like a lot of toys, a ton of toys. And sometimes go watch cartoon. Something went in my eyes. She has a bunch of toys. Like she's spoiled. Her daddy spoils her so much. Well, he spoils all of us because like we all have a bunch of stuff. Okay, I'm coming to give you. She wants chapati. She was eating chapati. I think I'm gonna put this. I don't know where I'll put my table, guys. Like I need this space here to put the bike. Maybe I should put the bike over there. Well. So guys, I think the baby started wanted to wake up, but I hear my hubby playing music, lullaby music. I'm starting with my daughter's room. Because it's a mess. I think let me tell you guys, she's a toddler. I'm a messy person, and with her it's worse. My hubby always says we're like messy. He starts When he starts cleaning, he starts singing, Messi, Messi. My babies are a mess. Anyways, let me go clean. I would have recorded it, but it's too, the place is like so full of stuff and I don't have a place to place my tripod. But for now, okay, listen. Yeah, he's playing the baby lullaby music. So guys, this is my daughter's room. I'm going to clean it. It's been a mess like for days and I'm just like being lazy. I've decided to just like clean it and arrange it a bit so it looks nice. Look at the mess up here. This is my baby's closet. Wardrobe, we bought it. And I need like an organizer because some of the things are in here. I need like something like where organizing boxes. I saw one. I don't think so. But I'm gonna still get it. I don't know. But for now, this is what I'm doing. Or what I'm using a box. So until I find organizing boxes, yeah, I'll just keep using that for now because it helps. Okay, see you guys in a few. Okay guys, so I have finally decided to move her bicycles and put them in the balcony, in the back balcony. But I've left her with one bicycle here so she can ride in the house. She likes doing that. And then this is where I decided to put the table and the flower pot. I don't have a flower yet, but I'll get one. But I don't know. I'm still not sure about this because like, I don't know. But that's where it's going to stay for now. Maybe I'll put the centerpiece there. Guys, I got this Ocean Breeze scented candle. And so I'm not sure about this yet. Like, so let me see. Let me show you. Okay, I'll get it, baby. Okay. So I want to move these water bottles. I don't know where to put them. Maybe in the kitchen, but it's way easier when it's here. In future, I want to change that to like the new modern one. Nalani, move. Nalani, move. Okay. So this is where I put the table, the window and the flower pot there near the door. Not sure about that yet. I want to put it like at the corner where the bicycle is for now. But she's playing with like a small moth. I have to remove those from there. I have to take these to one of my B&Bs. One of our B&Bs, and that one I think I'll put it in the bedroom so that the place looks clean and nice. And then I think I'll push that to the corner maybe. I'm still like, I don't know, but I'm definitely going to move this to the kitchen. And this one I put the centerpiece there because that centerpiece is black and marble, and this same thing. It wouldn't look nice. The centerpiece was there, but I'm still thinking, guys. I want to get like a charger for my light, for my lamp. But this is what I'm thinking now at the moment. Still not like, it will look good if I move the couch. Once I arrange the house finally, it will look really nice there, I think. And maybe I'll put like, I don't know. Give me ideas But this is where, that's what, the bicycles were there, so I moved them. And I have to move these too, maybe to look more nicer. And I just finished cleaning everything, the kitchen. I want to clean my table. I have not cleaned the table. And I still have to arrange some things, guys. My washing machine needs a longer pipe because we moved, and where I placed it, the drainage system is on the inside side. It's not like in my previous house. So I need a longer pipe so that I can drain the water outside the balcony and start doing laundry, because I've not done, I have a bunch of laundry, and I called someone to clean. I've been calling like someone to come clean, but the last person I called just ruined almost all of our clothes. And my hubby's robe, which was black, now looks crazy because she put bleach on everything, literally. Even the shorts that I'm wearing now, they were navy blue, and now just have like these brownish patches everywhere. It's my hubby like so pissed because he loved his robe. And what? Sorry. He loved his robe and it's ruined. He was like, I'm just gonna burn this. But we're gonna get like a lighter robe for him from the supermarket. He bought that one online. No, Nalani. No. Anyways, I feel so proud of myself right now because I've done a lot. My hubby is taking care of the baby, I think. Shh. I don't know if she's waking up or not, but he's playing her lullabies. I think she's sleeping. As he does some other things, or he's resting. So for now, I am free. I'm a free mommy. I have one here who's Nalani, stop. Ndakuchapa. I have one here who's really stubborn. I can't wait for her to go to school. I don't know. I can't wait for her to go to school, but I also don't want her to go to school. Me and my hubby, like, we're just like scared. It's just the fear, you know. We have like that fear of letting her go, because we are used to like keeping an eye on her 24/7, and away from us, we don't know what happens. We don't know. We're just scared of taking her to school. And because she speaks mostly English, I don't know which school to take her to in Bungoma. If we moved to Eldoret, we would have found like a nice school, like a the British, hey, imekata, kisungu imekata. The British system, cause she's not really good, she's not really good in Swahili. The time we went out for dinner, and then like she's always allowed to go to the kitchen because like we are so used to going there, and she plays with the chef. I know, she goes to the kitchen and like she tells the chef like everything they have in the kitchen, they also have it in their house. The chef asked her if they have like, you know, like the fries machine, the fryer for chips or fries. He asked her, do you have this at your home? She was like, yep. And then this waitress was speaking to her in Swahili, and then she was like, I have no idea. She did not understand her, so she was like, I have no idea what you're saying. So we just like we're like, we keep stalling. She's supposed to join school. She's 3 years old. She's 3 years old right now, and I'm waiting until she gets like up to like 3.5, where she can like express herself better. She can express herself right now, but you know, like it's not like that good. But I'm still looking, like we're still like wondering which school to take her here in Bungoma. Anyways, I'm talking a lot. See you in the next video. She's literally ruining the baby's blanket. She's just running around and it's white, so I don't know what. I'm left with the bed. I have to make the bed And then the master bedroom, because that one is another mess, but the baby is sleeping there with my hubby right now. And if I go in there to clean, this one will follow me, and my hubby will not like that because the baby will wake up. So I'm just gonna wait until the baby wakes up, and then my hubby will have to come to the sitting room, and then I'll clean the room and make the bed. I think we should change the mattress today. I don't know. We have a new mattress. It's a 12-inch 6x6 we got online. I think we're supposed to change that. We want to take the old one. It's not really old, it's still new, but we want to take that one to the B&B, to the 2-bedroom B&B. And again, if you want to stay for a few days or a day in Bungoma, you can book our place. We have 2-bedroom, 1-bedroom, and a bed sitter B&Bs. So other than that, I really have nothing much to say or add. The TV, I think I put the TV wrong. Yeah. Oh God, I have baby puke. Okay. In future I want to change my TV stand to like a nice model, but I made this one, so I'm gonna use it until I get money for the other one, for the new one, and then this one will go to the Airbnb because it still looks really nice and I love it. Yeah, it's nice. Other than that, yeah, I wanna wish you a beautiful day or night or morning. Be kind and make sure you give back to the community. I really want to do that too. Like, I've been saying that for months now and I've not done it. So maybe after there's something we're working on right now. We're literally working on like a lot, but there's something we're working on right now. And after that, maybe in April, that's when, or maybe April, before my hubby leaves, before he leaves in May, I think. Maybe that's when like we can maybe visit an orphanage or the hospital. I'm not sure yet. I'll decide with him. But for now, I'm just really thinking about that. It's been a while since I've given back, and it weighs heavy in my heart that I've not done it. But I'm just occupied a lot, and I'm also I have a newborn, so like I'm waiting for her to grow a bit older. Maybe when she's 6 months old, that's when I can do it. And I don't think Abby will be here, but I'll still do it because at around there she'll be eating food, and I can leave her with my mom and then go do whatever and then come back. Anyways, that's for now. I want to do my baby's hair and braid it because she has like the worst hair. I'm talking a lot. She has like the worst hair. It's really soft and it can't stay in place. It's just, I want to give her some matutas. Makudo. Ndonga makundo makudo kwa Kikuyu. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like. Make sure you like again. Make sure you leave a comment and give me ideas. I'm still working on my house. Slowly but surely, I'll get done. I'll have been done by now, but oh my God, the Airbnb is a lot. It's a lot because I'm just starting. I can't wait for them like to catch up. The first one really did. Okay, I'll stop talking. I'll stop talking for now. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to share, subscribe, like, comment, turn on the notification bell, and join me in the next video. Goodbye.